Hi, this is Bria Greenbaum with another cool tool, this time Certify'em. Certify'em is a Google Forms add-on which enables us to generate automatic certificates for Google quizzes. So if, for example, I've given a Google quiz and I want them to receive a certificate of achievement, this is what I'll do. For example, I've given this Google form quiz activity, which they actually have to receive a certificate for a pronoun detective. Okay, so but it can be any Google quiz that you give. The students who completed it successfully will receive this certificate in the email, obviously with their details, their personal details. Okay, so this is the certificate they receive in the emails, and this is the template that I prepared with Google Slides, and I will discuss later on. Okay, this is another template for a different certificate that I created. So let's see how it works with the forms. Okay, so this is my Google quiz, and I want to add a Certify'em add-on here. So if I do not have the add-on at all, I will click here and then click on add-ons. You can write Certify'em here in the search box, and I see it actually here over here. Okay, I already have it installed. If you want to install it, click on it and then click install. Okay, so now I have this add-on. I will find it here. I will click on this piece of puzzle and click on Certify'em and then enable Certify'em in this quiz. Get started. Okay, so these are the controls for the Certify'em add-on. First of all, I will turn on this certification for this quiz. Certificate records I will show you soon. Here I will define what's a passing grade. From this grade, students will receive a certificate. So in this case, I decided 80%. And this is where I choose a template for my certificate. They have ready-made templates. I can choose from theirs. Or I can create my own custom template. Let's click here. This will take me to my Google Slides. And if I have already made one, I'm going to select it. Okay, so I'm going to click on select a new file. And then click here, select, and save changes. So now you can see I've added my own custom template. If you want to design your own custom template, click on help because there's some important information there, and I'll click on how to create your own custom certificate. And what I want to show you is this chart which has very important information, how you create the merge tags. If you do not create your form, your certificate, this way students will not receive the certificate with their personal details. They will not receive with their name and whatever other information you want them to have there. So it's very important to write it exactly like this. So you can choose a name, the title of the quiz, the date, the passing grade, and whatever other information you want to add. Okay, so I'm showing you again, this is my template. And if I want their personal name to appear here, I have to write it like this. Okay, or like this. Okay, so that's creating your own custom certificate. As soon as I turned on the certification for this quiz, it automatically added this email address question. Okay, but they need the email to send the certificate. Okay, so now I've set it up. It's already students who do the test and receive a passing grade of 80% and above will receive a certificate in their mail. If you've clicked on the Certify'em add-on and it does not show you the option of opening the controls, just refresh your page and then you will see it. Okay, so that was Certify'em, a cute Google Form add-on, and try it out. Good luck.